Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the thermometer has enough power. A weak battery can block mode changes. Once powered, press and hold the main power button for about 3 to 5 seconds to force the unit into settings. You will see a flashing temperature symbol or a degrees F indicator. That tells you the thermometer is ready to change units. This step is necessary because Braun locks normal readings until you explicitly enter the configuration menu to avoid accidental switches. Once in settings, you toggle units by pressing the power button or a dedicated mode button, depending on your Braun model. Press briefly to cycle from degrees F to degrees C. Pause between presses so the display registers each change. When the display shows a steady degrees C, release the button and either wait a few seconds or press power once to confirm and exit. You do this because the thermometer saves the visible unit. Confirming visually ensures you won't misread later. You finish by taking a quick measurement to confirm the display now reads in Celsius. This proves the change saved. If the unit still shows Fahrenheit, remove and reinsert the battery, then repeat the press and hold sequence. This clears transient glitches. Make sure you perform the process slowly so the menu registers. If problems persist after a reset, consult the model-specific manual or contact support because a firmware or hardware fault may prevent unit switching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.